Italy, Wednesday, December 11, 2024. Extreme weather in the form of a very strong hailstorm, which damaged goods and crops hit Anzio and Nettuno, Rome, Italy, on Wednesday, December 11, 2024. The two coastal cities were hit by a wave of severe bad weather, which caused severe disruption and damage. After the yellow warning issued in recent days, bad weather hit the coast again in the morning. As a result, the very strong hailstorm turned the streets and squares into a winter landscape, with accumulations of hail reaching 20 centimeters in some areas. Heavy rain and strong winds further exacerbated the situation, flooding roads and causing inconvenience to motorists. Then in the Pocacqua area, the height of the hail reached almost 30 centimeters, creating an impressive sight, so that the firefighters came down and made gaps with shovels so that emergency vehicles could pass. They reported that there was no electricity in various points in both cities. The civil protection of the city of Anzio also immediately intervened to clear the streets of accumulated hail, using bulldozers to remove the ice and restore road safety.